Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today's special recipe is jaggery based payasam made with whole moong dal. It's also known as Paruppu paayasam, and this recipe is wholesome for kids as it is rich in proteins, irons and good fats which are ideal for their growth. So, I'll show you how to make it. Let's quickly get into the video without any further ado. So for this recipe, first we'll take 1 cup of whole moong dal and soak them overnight. And in the morning, take this soaked moong dal into pressure cooker and pressure cook them for 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Add water till the gram soaks completely. Then we'll just close the lid and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. So meanwhile, we'll melt the jaggery. Take half cup of jaggery and 1/4 cup of water and melt jaggery completely. So you can see that, right? Jaggery melted completely. Now I will be keeping it aside. Now keep a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee and let it melt. Then we'll add the dry fruits, 2 to 3 cardamom pods. Just roast them till they turn to nice golden brown color. And they are finished and I am just taking them into a separate plate. And now let's keep them aside for a while. And in the same pan, we'll be adding our boiled whole moong dal. Just roast our whole moong dal for a while. Then we'll add our melted jaggery into this. Just mix all the ingredients really well. So now our moong almost absorbed the sweetness. Now we'll be adding some rice flour to make the payasam thick. So for this we need 1 tablespoon of rice flour mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Just add it as it is. So we added rice flour, right? So we have to keep the stove on low flame. Then we'll be adding 2 cups of milk. Just continue stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring and cook for 5 more minutes on low flame. So here I am adding 2 more ilachis, and if you want you can also add a bit of salt to balance the flavor. Now let's check the consistency and turn off the stove. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's it guys. You can turn off the stove and take into the serving bowl. It's very easy to prepare, right? As I said earlier, this recipe is wholesome for kids. It's rich in proteins, iron and good fats. So why not? You can give this as an yummy evening snack for them, right? That's all about for today guys. I hope you liked watching my video. Please stay connected for my upcoming videos. Until then, please take care. Bye bye.